Since time immemorial, man has been on the hunt of a secret, the fountain of youth. Rich, thick, shiny hair and healthy glowing skin are perhaps the best indicators of being young. Just the way wrinkles are the symptoms of aging in skin, scanty hair, lack of growth, thinning of hair loss and baldness are the symptoms of aging in hair. To conquer these aging symptoms of hair, various treatments have been tried, like using snake oil, applying elephant's ivory powder, standing on one's head, etc. All this has led nowhere, and as a result, the search continued. Now, science has the answer to gain eternal elixir for the hair. The answer lies in stem cells. There are two types of stem cells, the embryonic stem cells and the adult stem cells. The embryonic stem cells are located in the blastocysts and differentiate into 220 types of cells in the body. In the human body, skin and hair contain adult stem cells in two places, the epidermis and the dermis, and are known as epidermal stem cells and dermal stem cells. The epidermal stem cells are responsible for stimulating growth and delaying aging. The dermal stem cells are located in two places, the dermal papilla and the hair bulge. The stem cells in dermal papilla induce formation of hair follicles and help differentiating into collagen and elastin, conferring firmness and elasticity to the hair and skin. The dermal stem cells in the hair bulge are involved in controlling the hair follicle development phases, that is from telogen to anagen phase, and differentiate into multiple cell types. Extensive work on the epidermal and dermal stem cells had been undertaken, and thus research in human stem cells had started. However, results are still awaited. In the meantime, it was discovered that plant stem cells can be useful in providing nutrition to the human stem cells, since they had similar epigenetic factors. This discovery came about while observing a unique species of apple in Switzerland. Going back in time to the 18th century, in early Switzerland, a rare and an endangered species of apple, Utwiller spetlober, was known for high storage ability. While all the other apples started to rot, this species of apple never seemed to age. But due to their acidic taste, they were not marketed and hence not cultivated. The scientists in Mibel, a scientific research group based out of Switzerland, was highly intrigued by this species of apples. Under the leadership of Dr. Fred Zulli, the team explored on a journey to identify the mystery behind the anti-aging properties of this apple. Years of research led them to a startling discovery: plant stem cells. After studying the stem cells of the rare apple species, Dr. Fred Zulli and his team came to a conclusion that these stem cells were found to maintain the characteristics of the epidermal stem cells. The study showed that these stem cells activated certain genes that delayed aging by 50% and replenished dying cells. Similarly, work was done on the stem cells from argan tree, the oldest living tree on the planet, and stem cells from pea plant. The stem cells from both these plants were found to nourish the human dermal stem cells. The argan stem cells were found to induce the formation of new hair follicles by stimulating the dermal papilla of the dermal stem cells, increasing their potency by 90%. The pea plant stem cells were also researched and found to work on the hair bulge, increasing growth by 85% and reducing hair fall by 56%. But the task here was not complete, as new hair follicles need a lot of energy to grow. Hence an enzyme called nanolipobel coenzyme Q10 was discovered, which re-energized the hair follicles, thereby stimulating growth and preventing graying of hair. From this point on, began an exciting journey for Richfeel in collaboration with the scientists from Mibel. Since most of the research on stem cells was focused on skin, Richfeel, whose name has been synonymous with hair and trichology the world over, and who has been on the forefront of pioneering innovations, felt the need to take this research ahead in hair care. Richfeel decided to partner in with Mibel, and with continual research on hair, the combination of the plant extracts from apple, argan and the pea plant, along with natural enzymes like nanolipobel coenzyme Q10, powered with nanotechnology, gave rise to PCT Rejuva Max. When such a unique product was developed, the next challenge was its penetration into the human scalp. Dr. Apurva Shah, the founder of Richfeel and India's first certified trichologist, took the step forward and collaborated with a renowned Italian scientist, Dr. Fulvio Ferrari, and his company, Biotech. The outcome was a unique machine, RF Anagen 10X. This technological wonder, RF Anagen 10X, is able to deliver PCT Rejuva Max to the scalp of human hair with ease and perfection. RF Anagen 10X is the first of its kind transdermal hair follicular penetrating machine in the world. It ensures complete detoxification of scalp and penetration of active stem cells. It also removes DHT, which is the primary cause of thinning of hair in both men and women. Hence, the combination of PCT Rejuva Max and RF Anagen 10X led to a unique treatment called Anagrow, the elixir of youth for hair. Therefore, a new and a unique chapter in the field of hair care now unfolds in collaboration with the Swiss scientists, the Italian scientists, and Richfeel, bringing hope to millions of people for scanty hair, lack of growth, thinning of hair, hair loss, and baldness. The results. Thus, what the falling apple was to Newton, the Swiss apple is to Richfeel. And now, through Richfeel, to the whole world of hair and scalp care. Together, we can make this world a better place to live in.